Okay, we have to factorize this 9x square minus 9 multiplied by a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. See, in these type of problems, if you see, this itself can be factorized. Okay, this itself can be factorized. I'll show you. See, you can write 9x square here minus 9 multiplied by a plus b into x here. Now, let's factorize this. If you multiply the first term and the last term here, you are going to get 4a square b square. If you multiply this and this, you are going to get 4a square b square. Okay, so let's break this middle term into a b and 4ab. Okay, so we can write 2a square plus ab plus 5ab and plus 2b square. Okay, first I'm going to show you that you can factorize this last thing. Okay, so mm, okay, in the next step you're going to get 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x. Now you can take a as common from the first two terms. So if you take a common, then 2a plus b will be left. Taking common means you are going to divide the terms by that common. So if you divide 2a square by this common a, 2a will be left, which we are writing here. If you divide ab by this common a, you are going to get b, which we are writing here. I hope you have got it. Now in the last two terms, you can take b as common. So if you take, there is one mistake. I had said that I'll write 4 here, but I've written 5 here. So, you know, we should write 4 here. So in the last two terms, you can take 2 as common because 4 and 2, they both are divisible by 2. Uh, b also is common. So you can take 2b as common from the last two terms. Now, if you divide this term by a common 2b, you will be left with 2a. And if you divide 2b square by 2b, you will be left with b. Okay, now if you see uh, here, you can see 2a plus b is here, 2a plus b is here. So 2a plus b can be taken as common. Okay, so let's copy 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a plus b, 2a plus b. You have got 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Hope it is clear. Okay, so when I started this problem, I said that if you notice, this can be factorized. And now you have seen that when you factorize this, you are getting 2a plus b into a plus 2b. So when you get these type of problems where last step or last bracket can be factorized, the splitting is done with the help of these factors. So now splitting this is easy because we are going to split this with the help of these factors which we have found from the last bracket. Okay, let's start now. So now copy 9x square minus, see, this 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so okay, I'm not writing 9 here, I'm not writing 3 here. First I'm going to write these things in the bracket. Okay, so write 2a. Okay, you need to write these numbers in the bracket. So 2a plus b plus a plus 2b. Now close the bracket and write these numbers: 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Okay, now you need to check whether the value of this and the value of this is same or not. If it is not same, then you will have to make some changes. So 2a plus a will become 3a, b plus 2b will become 3b. But if you see this is 9 minus 9 into a, it will become minus 9a. And x is also there outside the bracket. So minus 9 and x are multiplying inside the bracket. So if minus 9 and x multiplies inside the bracket, we get minus 9ax. You will get minus 9ax and minus 9bx. Will you get the same thing here? No, because we don't have x. So first thing which we need to do is we need to add x here. Okay, check it again. So minus is outside the bracket, x is outside the bracket. It means minus x is multiplying inside the bracket. So this was 2a plus a, it was 3a. if you multiply 3a by minus x, you will get minus 3ax. Okay, but here you are getting minus 9ax. It means we need to make some more changes. So if you add 3 here, okay, I think it is correct now. If you multiply minus 3 and x inside the bracket now, you will get minus 9ax and minus 9bx. Okay, you can check it. Minus 3 and x are going to multiply inside the bracket. Inside the bracket you have 3a plus 3b. So if 3a and 3b is multiplied by minus 3x, you will get minus 9ax minus 9bx. Okay, I hope you have got it. Now it is correct. Okay, so please see, these factors are helping you in the splitting. Okay, now please see the next step. 9x square minus, now you need to write 3, 3, this x, and first two terms, 2a plus b, bracket closed. Okay, again you need to copy minus 3, you need to copy x, and now you need to copy the last two terms, which are a plus 2b. Okay, then you have to write the same things, 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Okay, now please see, see, this is the first term and this is the second term. In first and second you can see they both have common 3x. Okay, 9 and 3, they both are divisible by 3. Okay, here you can see x, here you can see x. So 3x can be taken as common from the first two terms. If you take 3x common, if you take 3x as common, what will be left? 9x square divided by 3x will give you 3x. Then minus this whole thing divided by 3x will give you minus, and this bracket thing minus 2a plus b, minus and 2a plus b, bracket closed. Okay, next. Now from here and here you can take a plus 2b as common. A plus 2b is here, a plus 2b is here, so you can take a plus 2b as common. So a plus 2b as common. Now what is left? If a plus 2b has been taken from here, minus 3x will be left, and then here 2a plus b will be left. Okay, minus 3x, minus 3x, and plus 2a plus b will be left. Now there is one problem. You see, the numbers here and the values here are not same, they are different. If they are same, we can take them as common, but they are not same. Okay, so you can make some changes. 3x, and here we have 3x minus 2a plus b, bracket closed. Okay, now if you multiply by negative outside the bracket and inside the bracket, things remain same. For example, there is a number which is minus and minus 3. Okay, so what is the value of minus minus 3? You will say plus 3. Now I'm saying that multiply by minus outside the bracket and multiply by minus inside the bracket, and you will see the same result. Okay, when minus multiplies this minus, we get plus. When minus multiplies this minus 3, we get plus 3. Now what is plus into plus 3? It is 3. And what was minus into minus 3? It was plus 3. See, they both are same. I hope you understand it now. So if you multiply by negative outside the bracket and inside the bracket, things don't change. Okay, it is allowed, you can do it. So if you multiply this by minus, you will get minus into a plus 2b. And if you multiply this bracket by minus, things will, numbers will change their signs. This minus 3x will become 3x, and this plus will become minus. I hope you got it. Okay, now if you see this and this, they are same, so they can be taken as common. 3x minus 2a plus b is common. Okay, so from here if you take 3x minus 2a plus b as common, only 3x will be left, only 3x will be left. And from here, if you take this part as common, then this part will be left. Minus into a plus 2b will be left, minus into a plus 2b will be left. Okay, so this is the answer, this is the final answer. But still, if you want to simplify it more, you can write 3x minus multiplies inside the bracket we get minus 2a, minus b, and here you can write minus 3x minus a is going to multiply inside the bracket. We will get minus a minus 2b. I hope this is clear.